In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up WordPress real easily. So the very first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to want to go ahead and log into your cPanel, and we're going to install a new version of WordPress on our site. So as you can see, we're in our cPanel here, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down here, and you're going to see a link that says Quick Install. If you're using HostGator hosting, you should see this little link that says Quick Install, and you're going to want to go ahead and click on that. And then over here on the left hand side, you can see under blog software, it's going to say WordPress, and you're going to want to go ahead and click on that. And then one more time, we're going to click on this, and you can see that it says that WordPress is web software you can use to create beautiful website or blog. And they're just saying that we're going to be installing the latest version of WordPress on our site. And then on this screen right here, you're going to determine where you want WordPress to be. If it's going to be in your root directory, you're going to just leave this blank right here. You're going to go ahead and put in your name here. You're going to put in the blog title of your blog. We're going to go ahead and write in our admin user. And we're going to add our first name and our last name. Okay? And then what we're going to do here is we're going to just go ahead and click on the Install Now button. And WordPress is going to go ahead, and it's going to take just a second, but as you can see, we've now gone ahead and installed WordPress. And you can see right here, it says, congratulations, your installation is ready, and you can now access it by going here. And that's what we've been given our username and our password right here. So you're going to want to go ahead and copy and paste this somewhere, put this in a file so that it's easy for you to remember what it is, because the password that it spits out is going to be a long password. So once you have that, you're going to want to just go ahead, click the link, and we can go ahead and log into our WordPress site. Now you're going to want to log into your blog with the credentials that you just created. So we're going to go ahead and log in here. Just click the login button right there. And what that's going to do is that's going to bring you inside of your WordPress dashboard. And this is where we're going to do everything. This is where we can set up our site. WordPress, it's a great platform for building websites and building affiliate websites in particular, because what we can do is we can easily go create new pages and posts, and it's very, very easy to do. And a couple of things that we're going to want to do right off the bat is we're going to make a couple of settings changes, because the way that WordPress works out of the gate, it's a little wonky and it's not great for search engine optimization or just for user experience. So the first thing we want to do is over on the left hand side, you can see this settings link. If you scroll down, you can see one that says permalinks. That is very important. You need to do this. The default settings for WordPress when you create a page or a post is it puts this little appendage here, a question mark, P meaning post equals, and then it gives you the post number. That's not really good for search engine optimization, and it's not good for just aesthetics. What we want to do is we want to change it down here to post name, so that when we create a post, the actual website address is going to have that post name in there, so our keywords are going to be in there. And that's really important. So you're going to want to go ahead and do that and click on Save Changes. All right. The other thing that you also might want to do is change the appearance. Like, we'll go ahead and look at our site real quick. If we just take a look at our site, which right here is Mark's Fitness Blog. Okay, we'll go ahead and put this right here. And you can see it's very drab looking, not exciting looking at all. But with just a couple of little tweaks, we can make it a lot better looking. And I'm going to show you how to do those. So the first thing you can decide on is if you want to change your theme. There's a lot of different themes out there. But the way that you would change a theme is you go to Appearance right here, and then Themes. And what you can do is you can change out the theme. There's tens of thousands of free themes. But to find a new theme, you click on Themes and then Add New. And then what we can do is we can take a look at some popular themes that are out there. And the themes are, what your website looks like. You can see these are ones that we already have installed, but there's lots of different themes that we can go ahead and set up. Like, that's a great looking theme right there. And these are all free. And you can go ahead and install a theme, and it's going to totally change the appearance of your website. So, to install new themes, we can also go, they'll show us featured themes that are out there, but we can also search for themes. So, if I wanted to have an affiliate theme, you can do a search for affiliate, and you can see there's lots of different, or not lots, but there's a couple different themes out here that are made for affiliates. We can type in review, and you'll see that there's several different website or themes that we can use. We can even go to this feature filter and have it show us only themes that match the colors that we want. We can change the layout, decide what kind of layout we want to have. We can do all kinds of stuff with the themes. For now, I'm going to just go ahead and stick with the theme that's right here, because this particular theme, it gives us plenty of different options. And we can go over to the theme options here. You can see we can decide how we want it to appear, either a light scheme or a dark scheme. We can decide on our link color. We can decide on our content layout. We can go ahead, change out our header image if we want. We can do lots of different things. We can add in new pictures. We can change these pictures. We can get rid of the picture altogether, so it's not going to have an image. You can see it's called Mark. That's not really the right name. You can see I've got an error right there. So I'm going to just go to the general settings, and it should be right here. And that's what it should say. I'll just save that. Okay. Another thing that we can do is inside of our appearance, you see over here there's a widgets area, and widgets allow you, right now our website has all this area. These are all widgets right here, and to be honest with you, they kind of take up a lot of space. So to get rid of them, we just drag them over, 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 drag them over. And what you do want to add there, though, is a text. We do want a text widget, so I'm going to just click on Add Widget, and then that's going to appear up here, and we'll add, you can add ads here for different products. Okay. In fact, I'll just go show you, but let me just show you this real quick. So now that we've done that, when we go and refresh this, you're going to see that it's named the right thing. That image has gone away. And right here, you can see I'm going to add ads here for new products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to one of the products that I've decided I'm going to promote, and I'm going to go get a banner and paste it in there and show you that. So you can see in here, I'm inside of the affiliate area of this product that I'm going to promote, and you can see they have all their banners here. And I'm going to just grab this little 125 by 125 badge and go ahead, put this in this widget just so you can see what it looks like. So I'll just go ahead, save that. And then when we go ahead and refresh our site here, you can see now that we've got an ad right here on the left-hand side. So that's how you do widgets. Widgets allow you to go ahead and add content over here on the left-hand side. Like, these are all the standard widgets, but when you add in a text widget like we just added, that allows you to go ahead and add in different text. To create pages, all we have to do, go right over to Pages, click on Add New, and we're going to call this, we'll just call this a new page. Okay, and you can see WordPress offers you help as you're going along the way. But this This right here, it's used just like a word processor. You see this right over here, it's called the toolbar toggle. If you click that, you'll see that you have more icons and different options that you have. But you use this. This is used just like a word processor. Microsoft Word or anything like that. What you can do when you're creating your text, you can highlight things, you can bold things, you can add in affiliate links. So if we add our affiliate link, we could go ahead, type that in there. I'm going to just write Google here and then click the add link, and now that has just become a link. And what's great about WordPress is you don't need to know anything about building websites. You just type in want here, and it's gonna really, it's so easy to use compared to the old days when you had to build websites from scratch. And then when you're ready to publish your page, you just click publish. Okay, and then we can go ahead and view this page as well. And then when we view this page, you'll see that the page is here. We've got this little link right here in our site. It's coming along. We're ready to get started. But in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get free and low-cost content that you can use to fill up your site with information. So I'll see you in the next video.